Hey everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to make rig this monster with After Effects. Let's begin. Vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. First step, let's hide background and click here for black background and select foods, lock. Select this eye white, go to solo, and eye black, again go to solo, select this eye white, Control D for duplicate, and select this eye black, move to center. If you not see here, click toggle switch and change none to alpha matte eye white 2. Okay, then select this eye white 2, parent to eye white. Okay, let's select this eye white, press S and click this icon, change scale. Okay, then make new scale, go to 10 keyframe, change 100 to 5 or 3 and go to again 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can hold shift and press page down in the keyboard and change again 100. Okay, nice. Then go to window and DUIK Bassel 2, click ignore and click here in select this connector and click this circle. Okay, and click this slider. Okay, select these sliders, move to left, select this slider, press S, change scale. Okay, then select these keyframes and click this connect to properties. Okay, nice. Then select this slider controller. Okay, eye rig is done. Then select eye black and eye white, parent to this i1 and select this i2, again parent to this i1. Okay, select this i1 and click this solo. Okay, and go to anchor point, move to anchor point to center. When I make rotate animation and click this i2, okay, like this. Okay, nice. Then unsolo all layers. Let's select this body, go to solo and anchor point, move to here down and select this i1, parent to body, select this body, press R. Okay, nice. So in this time select this eye white and eye black and eye white and i2, click toggle switch and click this icon and this icon. Okay, let's create new null object, add object name eye rotate, then select this eye rotate and double click this palm behind to move anchor point center and move to here this null object. Select this i1, parent to eye rotate. Let's see, select this rotate, press R. Okay, nice. Then select this i1 and click this icon for hide. Then right mouse, new and null object, move to null object up, change name, body, control and move to here. Again double click to move to center this anchor point and select this body, parent to this body control null object. Then select this A rotate and parent to this body control. Let's see. Okay, nice. Then let's create new modes and make slider. Go to pen tool and let's draw new mouse like this. Change color to black and go to again pen tool, hold alt, make smooth modes. Okay, then add name modes and select these modes, open contents, shape 1, path 1, and make new path 1, go to 10 keyframe, again new keyframe, go to again 10 keyframe and new keyframe. Okay, I have 3 keyframes, and go to first keyframe, select this path 1 and select this pen tool, make smooth, hold alt, make smooth mouse like this. Okay, and go to last keyframe, again select path 1 and pen tool, change modes type. Okay, go to click selection tool. So in this time, again click this slider, press S, change scale, move to here, then select these keyframes and click toggle switch. Okay, let's see. Select this slider. Okay, not bad. Then select this mouse, move to here and press S, change scale like this. Okay, and select this mouse illustrator file, delete, select these tools, move to here and select this mouse, Control D, select this layer, move to center and click toggle switch, change none to alpha matte. Let's say again. Okay, select this mouse, move to here. Let's see. Okay, not bad, not bad. Press S, change scale. Okay, nice. So in this time, select this mouse to parent to this main modes and select this tools file and modes file, parent to this body control. Select this body. Let's see. Okay, nice. Then select these modes files, click this icon for height. Okay, nice. Click here for unhide background. Select this slider, press S, change scale and move to here. Okay, select this connector and click this icon and select this body, again click this icon and foot, click this icon. Okay, nice. Our character is ready. We can make animation. Let's close DUIK window and select this eye white, press P, go to here, make position keyframe and go to 10 keyframe, move to right. Okay, select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe and easy. Okay, okay, and go to here, make again new keyframe, go to 10 keyframe, move to left. Okay, and make again new keyframe, go to 10 keyframe, move to right. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Select this eye rotate, press R, make rotation keyframe, go to here and change rotation. And here again make new keyframe, go to here, change rotation like this and make new keyframe, go to here, change rotation 0. Select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe and easy is. Okay, and select this body control, press P, make position keyframe, go to here, move to down and go to here again. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, select keyframes, right mouse, keyframe as easy ease, and select these keyframes, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, and select this mode slider, press P, make position keyframe, go to here, change to right. Let's see. And in this time, make new keyframe, go to here, move to left. Okay. And again, make new keyframe, go to here and move to left. Okay. Make keyframes, right mouse, keyframe as easy ease. And in this time, press N for loop animation, and let's see. Okay, not bad. Nice. Let's click this icon and select this eye black. Go to here, press P, make position keyframe, and in this time, move to right. Okay. Again, in this time, make new keyframe, go to here and move to left like this. And again, for loop animation, click this keyframe, go to here and select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and select these keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant, easy ease. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's again click this icon. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.